Hi, lovers of herbal remedies. Greetings from the Herbalist's Notebook once again, your one-stop shop for everything natural and healthful. We're going to be delving into Rhodiola 101, a fascinating subject that will definitely catch your attention. Ever wonder the mysteries around this potent adaptogen? You're going to be very happy. Today, we have a straightforward yet powerful mission. We want to inform and inspire you about the amazing advantages of Rhodiola. So gather your favorite herbal tea, take a seat, and let's start this journey together. Overview of Rhodiola. Known by many as the golden root, Rhodiola is a powerfully adaptogenic herb found in nature. This hardy plant, which comes from the mountainous regions of Europe, Asia, and North America, survives in extreme temperatures and high altitudes. Rhodiola has a long history of use in traditional medical systems, including Chinese and Scandinavian traditional medicine, where it was known to improve both mental and physical endurance. Its roots have been used to treat exhaustion, reduce tension, and enhance general health. Come along on this journey with me to learn about the amazing advantages of Rhodiola and how it may improve our lives today. Rhodiola Magic. Inherently feel well. The wonderful herb Rhodiola contains compounds such as salidroside and rosavin. These guys work together to give you a great feeling. Rosavin helps you relax and manage your tension. Salidroside, eh? It all comes down to giving your mood a high five and feeling joyful and satisfied. When combined, they provide you an energy boost that is natural and free of anxiety. Not only does Rhodiola promote well-being, but it also functions as a cognitive booster. It supports clear thinking and concentration. Thus, Rhodiola is a best friend you've been waiting for if you enjoy stress management, mood enhancement, an energy boost, and sharp mental clarity. Scientific evidence. Scientific studies support the idea that Rhodiola is a helpful adaptogen. A study published in Planta Medica discovered that rosavin and salidroside containing Rhodiola extracts can counteract weariness under stressful conditions. Another study published in PLOS ONE suggested that Rhodiola may improve mental health and reduce cognitive stress. Reputable authorities such as the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, believe that Rhodiola contains adaptogenic qualities that aid in relieving stress. These studies provide solid proof for the use of Rhodiola as a natural means of promoting resistance and improving stress management. How Rhodiola functions as an adaptogen. Rhodiola is a vital member of the class of adaptogens, which are similar to superheroes for our body's stress responses. Think of adaptogens as your body's defense mechanism, assisting it in adjusting to the difficulties life presents. An example, Rhodiola functions as a strong ally, supporting your body in managing stress and preserving a balanced, peaceful state. Rhodiola reduces the effects of stress and helps you deal with it more effectively on a mental and physical level. While it doesn't eliminate stress, it does provide your body the tools it needs to deal with it more effectively, which enhances general well-being. Therefore, consider Rhodiola to be your natural ally in search of balance among the ups and downs that are a part of life. Forms and dosage. Now that we've covered everything, let's speak about putting Rhodiola into your daily routine. Rhodiola is available in a variety of forms, including as extracts or capsules. Like any other medication, capsules are simple to consume, but extracts are more concentrated. Now, about dosage, each person may require a different amount. Although taking 200-600 milligrams daily is generally advised, it's important to keep in mind that each person is unique. Speak with a healthcare provider before determining the correct dosage. To ensure that you're taking Rhodiola in the most beneficial way for you, they can provide you with specific information based on your health. First and foremost, safety. Safety measures. It's important to understand any potential risks to your health before going deeply into the world of Rhodiola. Rhodiola may interfere with drugs or have negative effects, just like any other supplement. Prioritize your health above all else. Therefore, get medical advice before adding Rhodiola to your diet. particularly if you are taking medication or have pre-existing medical conditions. They can offer specific advice to ensure rhodiola is safely and successfully incorporated into your lifestyle. By taking this preventative measure, you may optimize the health advantages of this powerful adaptogen and make well-informed decisions about your well-being. Rhodiola tricks. Elevate your day with simple advice. Try taking rhodiola in the morning with your drink or breakfast to incorporate it into your routine. It's similar, like adding a tiny energy boost to your day. Rhodiola works well in combination with other supplements, such as omega-3 fatty acids or vitamins, if you're already taking any of them. However, remember to see a physician before mixing them. It's crucial to maintain consistency. Choose a time that works for you, then keep to it. Rhodiola can support you in staying balanced and energized during a workout or an active day. Let's quickly review what we learned about rhodiola today to wrap things up. We discussed its origins, advantages, and practical applications in everyday life. It's your turn now. I'd be happy to talk with you if you leave a comment below with your ideas or any queries you may have. And remember to subscribe if you want more helpful information like this. When I release new videos, you'll be the first to know when I hit that button. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one.